Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Very respected and venerable viewers, today we are to talk about very important aspect of the social development, like social environment. That is the important component for the psychosocial development of a child. We'll come to know that, what is social environment. It refers to the individual physical surroundings in which environment we are living. The building we have, the space we are over there, and the space rather it is well oxygenated and well lightened and well decorated or well comfortable environment is there. The surroundings we have, and we will be more pleasant, comfortable in very interesting situations. And we'll see the community resources that is available for us, like while walking to the market, we have good way. While going to the park, we are observing very comfortable paths and other entrance gateways and many situations around that contributed to the environment of the individual. And also the social relations. How we see those. Park है, जाते नहीं. सड़क है, उससे हम गुजरते नहीं. वो मुश्किल से रास्ते से गुजर जाते हैं, लेकिन वो जो एक अच्छा खूबसूरत रास्ता है, थोड़ा सा लंबा है, लेकिन हम उसे इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. So it means that we to be social and we to use the good resources available around us, and we to be adjusted with the situation. And like physical environment, and it is the surrounding, including housing and facilities for education, the space where we are studying, at the workplace we are more comfortable when we are seeing the widened and well opened environment and comfortable situation, while we can have well furniture and comfortable furniture and utilities we to work with, that is also comfortable. And also the healthcare situations are also being provided in the situation and in the environment. That is very plausible environment. And we'll see the recreational environment sometime. We have the opportunity to relax ourselves. We have the opportunity to go outside. छोटा सा लान, छोटी सी खूबसूरत जगह, ग्रीनरी और इसी तरह comfortable entry and exit and also entrance also good. तो ये सारी चीज़ें, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो है ना, वो उसके environment को contribute कर रही होती हैं. और these things are contributed to the social environment, and the person is comfortable, socially, mentally comfortable. Sometimes we damn care about the environment. In the home own situations, हमारा अपना बेडरूम है, उसके अंदर के हालात वाक़यात जो है ना, वो अगर कंफर्टेबल हैं, प्लेजेंट हैं, वी आर रेडी टू सी, वी आर मोर enjoyable situation, that we are excited when we are visualizing. या हम किसी को invite करते हैं, दिखाते हैं, तो वो हम खुद भी feel करें कि yes, I can show it up and also can give the chance to view the others, friends, peers. Then we are more happy. Sometimes we have a good selfie and we show it up, the background, and that is also a part of environment we are enjoying. Same like community resources we are enjoying. Community resources में जैसे मुख्तलिफ चीज़ें organizations का knowledge है, और मुख्तलिफ तरह की सपोर्ट हमें हासिल है, और हमारे रिलेशनशिप्स हैं, हमारे ग्रुप्स हैं, पीयर्स हैं, और they are ready for us and we feel comfortable. दूसरे लोग हमसे मिलें तो वो हमें बाइज्जत तरीके से अच्छे अल्फाज के साथ हमें वेलकम करें, हम उनको मिलें, तो ये एक कम्युनिटी रिसोर्सेज का सोर्स है जो हमारे लिए यूजफुल है फॉर डेवलपिंग द एनवायरनमेंट इन विच वी आर लिविंग while we are going through, passing through that, how people are perceiving us, how people are interacting, how people are commenting, it also counted. तो उस एनवायरनमेंट में जहाँ हमारी इज्जत हो, हमें एक्सेप्ट किया जाए, हमें रिकॉग्नाइज किया जाए, हमें अप्रिशिएट किया जाए, तो वी आर मोर सोशल, वी आर मोर कंटेंटेड एंड इत्मीनान जो है वो इत्मीनान कल्ब और ख़ास तौर पर दूसरों के साथ मोहब्बत, शफ़क़त, प्यार जब मिले तो ये एक अच्छा सोर्स है फॉर द एनवायरनमेंट डेवलपमेंट. इसी तरह इससे बढ़ के रिलेशनशिप विद द अदर्स, द पॉजिटिव रिलेशनशिप विद द अदर पर्सन्स, इससे क्या होगा? ट्रस्ट डेवलप होगा और इसमें म्यूचुअल सेटिस्फैक्शन होगी. वी आर लिविंग वेयर वी आर लिविंग टुगेदर. We are providing comfort to others, neighbors, and they are satisfied with us, and we are satisfied with the neighbors. They are not creating such things which are irritable for us, and we are not creating, and others are not also creating such things which are irritating each others. It's very comfortable. It is very soundful and very meaningful for the social development of a child even, and for the individuals. Same like the quality of life in which there is a respect, in which there is a love, and in which there is a happiness is a real source of relationship. And we can enjoy the psychological health. Psychological health is related with the words we are uttering for the others. We are respecting for the others. We are perceiving others. We are giving a good place as they are. And we are interacting with the kids with love and affection. We are perceiving and interacting with the older ones. We are providing बड़ी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं. दरवाज़ा खोल के रखना और उस वक्त तक ना उसको छोड़ना या बंद करना जब तक वो दूसरा फर्द गुजर ना जाए. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जो हमें हैप्पी कर देती हैं. और दूसरों के लिए इंतज़ार करना कि यू प्लीज, यू फर्स्ट. वाइल ड्राइविंग वी प्रीफर द अदर्स. दूसरों का हम मौका, यस यू प्लीज. तो दीज आर थिंग्स आर डेवलपिंग द कंफर्टेबल जोन फॉर द अदर्स and for our own selves, कि हम दूसरों के लिए आसानियां पैदा कर रहे हैं, दूसरों के लिए कंफर्ट पैदा कर रहे हैं, और हम ज़ाती तौर पर मुतमईन हैं, खुश हैं for creating the social environment for the social grooming and social development of a child. Thank you very much.